Hi Gareth, here's a quick test of your clocks now. The gear position indicator's fitted. If I just power them on, you do the sweep, and if I give it first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, and if the run stop switch is enabled, you get a warning. That is adjustable to different patterns. I'll leave it on that one. The backlight, the gear indication is dimmable, so there's 5 different levels for that. You can dim it down if it's a bit bright at night. It's not as bright as that shows there, it's the phone picking it up bright. I'll leave it on the brightest anyway. Left turn, right turn, high beam, oil, neutral. I'll just give it some speed and RPM. Let's give it, what should we do, 80 mile an hour and 9,000 revs. That's all working. So that's about it. I'll send you an email with the details on it. Hope you like them.